Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about something important. Engineering might be a bad career option. Yep, I said it. I know this might ruffle some feathers, but stick with me. Because by the end of this video, I'll also show you what career options might actually suit you better, based on your personality and interests. If you're in high school, college, or even stuck in your first job wondering, did I make a mistake? This video is for you. Let's start with the obvious. Engineering sounds great, it's prestigious, your parents love it, and society treats engineers like superheroes. But here's the reality for a lot of people once they're actually in the field. High stress, low initial reward. Engineering school is brutal, and the job, not much easier. You're expected to work long hours, sometimes weekends, and in many countries the salary doesn't really reflect that grind, especially in the early years. I had a friend who worked 12-hour shifts as a junior engineer, for the same salary his cousin was making in marketing with half the stress. Overcrowded fields equal fewer jobs, mechanical, civil, and electrical engineering. These are so saturated now that people struggle for months or even years to land a decent job. It's not just about being good, it's about standing out in a crowd of thousands with the same degree. The learning never stops, and not in a fun way. Engineering fields evolve fast. You constantly have to learn new software, standards, or regulations just to stay relevant. Now, if you're passionate about it, that's great. But if it feels like homework you didn't sign up for, this can be exhausting. Limited creative freedom. Think engineering is about inventing cool stuff? Sometimes. But many engineers just follow technical specs or optimize tiny parts of big systems. It's often more routine than revolutionary. Outsourcing equals less job security. Some engineering roles are being outsourced to countries with cheaper labor. That puts pressure on salaries and job stability, especially in traditional roles like manufacturing or infrastructure design. External pressure, not passion. A lot of people go into engineering because it's safe or their parents pushed for it, but when your heart's not in it, even a safe job becomes a slow grind. Alright, that was the tough love part. But now let's look forward. Because here's the good news. There are so many amazing careers out there that offer better work-life balance, more creativity, and yes, even more money. Let's break this down based on your interests. Because the best career isn't always the most popular one, it's the one that fits you. If you love problem solving but want more flexibility, consider these options. As a product manager, you still solve problems, but you're also leading teams and thinking about business and users. Or, if you prefer a mix of logic and design, becoming a UX/UI designer could be the perfect fit. You get to design user experiences and interfaces. If you're a creative thinker, there are some really exciting paths you could take. Graphic design lets you dive into visual storytelling for brands, ads, and digital media. If you like combining code with imagination, game development or animation might be your calling. Or you could turn your ideas into influence and income through YouTube or content creation. If helping others is your thing, there are several fulfilling careers to explore. Healthcare careers, ranging from nursing to physiotherapy to occupational therapy, are all high-impact roles. If mental health is your passion, consider becoming a therapist, counselor, or social worker. And if education excites you, you could teach in schools or create learning tools in the edtech space that actually make education fun. If you love tech but not engineering per se, there are some cool options. You could become a software developer, building apps, websites, and tools. Plus, there are lots of remote and freelance opportunities. Or, how about a cybersecurity expert? You'll protect systems from hackers and threats. It's a field with high pay and high demand. And if you enjoy working with numbers, consider becoming a data analyst or data scientist. You'll work with numbers, trends, and storytelling through data. If you're more business savvy, there are plenty of paths to explore. Marketing and branding let you mix creativity with strategy. If you're good with numbers, finance and investing might be your thing. You could go into wealth management or analysis. And if you have an entrepreneurial spirit, why not build your own thing? Start a product, launch a service, and create your lane. If you're into deep thinking and research, consider these paths. Environmental science. Protect the planet and solve real-world problems. Policy and economics. Shape decisions that impact millions. Academic research. If you love learning and teaching, academia could be a great fit. Look, I'm not here to bash engineering. For some people, it's the perfect career. And if that's you, amazing. But if you felt stuck, frustrated, or uninspired, it's okay to rethink your path. Your degree doesn't define you. Your passion, mindset, and adaptability do. So take a step back. Ask yourself, what do I actually enjoy doing? What kind of lifestyle do I want? What problems do I like solving? The answers to those questions will point you toward your real path. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more real talk about careers, tech, and future skills. And comment below. Are you thinking about switching careers? Or are you already in engineering and feeling stuck? I'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.